Hello, everyone. Today we'd like to introduce our fully automatic CNC copper tube processing all-in-one machine, which integrates straightening, cutting, punching and bending functions in one unit. This integrated production equipment has already completed on-site commissioning at our European client's factory, and now runs stably for mass production of finished products.